we are here finally at the steering wheel option. All right, so steering wheel option, we have gone for Sparco. Now we're at the new table, new filming area for parts breakdowns, parts assemblies, unboxings like this, just for a better overall overhead view. But with the steering wheel option, I was initially going to do custom steering wheel, 350 millimeter, deep spoke, all of that other stuff. But then I had to really consider how much detail and work I'm putting in the digital cluster area with the digital display. And with the other steering wheel, I do very vividly remember having to sometime duck down to look, or it was blocked up, and you know, I have the tilt, and then some of the steering wheel was over in that section. So although the wood steering wheel was very nice, it still is nice, I think that there's a better option where I don't want as much focus on the steering wheel, but I want the steering wheel to be nice, but I need the steering wheel to let the digital cluster shine a lot more here. So I've gone with the Sparco option that I am about to show you all now. So let's go ahead and get this unboxing done. Let's go ahead and get this baby open. And as you see, it's not a lot of steering wheel in here. It's not a lot of steering wheel in here. And that is what I wanted. I don't see this steering wheel in a lot of cars, especially Integra. So I'm really looking forward to putting it in there. And voila, look at that baby. Look at that. That is nice. Suede, Sparco, what is this, a series? I think this is the 310. Look at that. I really do like, this is gonna be really different in the Integra. It is suede, so of course over time you get a little bit of wear. What I am gonna do is find the gold hardware to go in here to attach it to my tilt system. So even now when I tilt, it's gonna be very minimally up here. You're missing this whole section here, which means that won't be off into the display cluster. And even when I'm driving, you know, it's cool. People are gonna be looking like, what is up with that steering wheel? And it's futuristic looking. Plus I have the half section here, which is gonna give me more leg clearance when it's down. And of course, this section missing is gonna give more visibility of the digital display when the steering wheel is in the operating position. So now I have nothing blocking my view of all the information that will be up there. This steering wheel is way lighter. I mean, it is really, really light. I don't even think this, it's made in Italy. You see right there, I don't even think this might weigh it might be a pound, maybe might be a pound. But like I said, we're gonna do the gold countersunk hardware here. Probably go through one of the hardware vendors that I've ordered from before and just get that countersunk, find out what the thread pitches are for what needs to go into the hub. And this is it. I really am satisfied with this. And now I don't have to deal with the hassle of going back and forth about design differences or preferences, and then getting that design in and maybe being appreciative or maybe being, I don't like it. This right here is simple, basic, to the point. It's gonna match, it's gonna look well, it's not gonna take away. The gold hardware will give it a nice flare. And of course, like I said, you don't see many Integras with this steering wheel in them. So I'm loving that. And this is what we've gone with. So I don't know what you all think about it, but of course it really matters what I think about it. And I absolutely do like it. And I was happy to find it. Now they do have a carbon fiber option where you can get this center part carbon fiber, but I think there's more of a 4-type spoke situation here. I didn't want to go with that one. I didn't really like it. And I don't necessarily need carbon fiber here. We got carbon fiber touches other places, and I'm going to do some other things carbon fiber dipped to kind of bring a little bit of that carbon fiber into the interior, unless I can find the OEM DC2 carbon fiber parts, which I am still looking for. But if not, I'll get them dipped and get them well done by Hydro Dips, which they do an excellent job. But I really do like this steering wheel option. I'm really excited to finally get it installed when that time comes, when I'm getting the interior buttoned up. So let me know what you think about it in the comment section. Let me know what you think about the digital display when I start working on that, because we're going to be using this bench to assemble that digital display. This is going to be an awesome working area to do that, as you'll get a good view of me taking things apart, putting screens in, and all of that other stuff instead of the other area. And we use the other area for a lot more bigger, broader things. But we are going to actually try to do the Skunk 2 unboxing of the headers here as well, to see just how you know, how versatile is this area and for small items and big items, because the header box is probably about this big. So if you can't see my hands now, you wouldn't see it. But if you can see my hands, you will see it. And of course, I'll take the box down and bring the headers up, and we'll go through that reason. And yes, I did end up buying another set of headers. So that means 3 sets of headers throughout the course of this build. None of them have been installed. The other ones will be sold as new, and then the new ones from Skunk 2 are gonna go in, and I'm still not sure if we're gonna do the coating on those because it's a lot slick. But anyway, I really appreciate you all following the build. I hope you like the steering wheel option. I hope you're excited about seeing how it's gonna look in the car. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share these videos, and share what you're doing on your build in the comment section. All right, peace.
You kinda like Face at the end of the flick. The world was yours and you died on the shit. Wolfpack gang all over this bitch. Taking over YouTube, running that shit.